Hey Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today I'm giving a huge shout out to my favorite toothbrush. You guys, this is so cool. It is the Triple Bristle Sonic Electric Toothbrush. You guys, it's going to have all the features of any other of your favorite Sonic electric toothbrushes on the market. It's rechargeable. It has 31,000 brushes per minute. It's an amazing toothbrush. It's recommended by dentists, but it's really unique too, and that comes from the triple part of the triple bristles. It really does have 3 brush heads that go around. It encapsulates your entire tooth, so that's really cool for a couple different reasons. One being that you can get all of your brushing done in a third of the time. It's amazing, right? It's crazy. 2, it can really get in all of those hard to reach places. When you just have one singular brush, it's a lot harder, versus the 3, it can get in every single little nook and cranny, all the weird spots, all of the stuff way back here. It does that way easier. It's such a cool design, you guys. I also love on the brush heads, you'll notice like there's gonna be a blue stripe on the bristles, and that fades over time, so you know exactly when you need to change your toothbrush head. I think that is so smart. That's a really cool feature. You guys, this is a great toothbrush for anyone. I know if you're like me, the first time I heard about it, I'm like, well, I can get done in a third of the time. That's amazing. But you guys, this is especially good if you know somebody that has arthritis, if you know somebody that is struggling with their hands. This is so much easier to hold and so much easier to, control and really get in there. So it's great for them. Buy this for them as a gift. That's going to be amazing. If you know a caregiver, this is just going to make it so much easier. If you are responsible for helping someone else brush their teeth, this is going to make it so much easier for both of you. Not only are you getting done in less amount of time, there's less weird angles that you have to get to. It's just going to be so much easier to make sure that each of those teeth are clean on all sides, because you have triple bristle brush that is going all the way around. This is such an innovative, cool product. I think it's going to take the market by storm, so get in and get yours now, because they're going to be everywhere really soon. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You're going to be really glad you did.